The clock is ticking, Meta's workplace is shutting down, and businesses everywhere are preparing for the transition. If you are wondering what's next, let me introduce you to a platform that will feel just like home. In fact, not just home, I think it's more of an upgrade. Stay with me. I'm Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome to my channel, where I promise practical advice to build your brand. Today, I'll cover the key features that make Connecteam the perfect choice for workplace users, ensuring that your team feels at home while gaining even more functionality. Connecteam is my sponsor, but I can say with full confidence that this platform is an even better solution than Workplace, which is closing soon. The good news, the interface will feel familiar, and the transition should be seamless. Let me show you up close. This is how your dashboard is going to look when you create your Connecteam account at the beginning. But as you start to populate this with your team, you're going to get workforce insights, ensuring your team stays connected and informed, with employee engagement metrics, enabling data-based decisions that drive productivity. I get it, switching platforms can be challenging, especially if your team is accustomed to Workplace's social media-like interface. Connecteam provides that same familiar feel, but with powerful additions that streamline communication and collaboration. Let's talk first about updates. This is like Connecteam's news feed. This is how it looks on the admin dashboard from the desktop, but I'm going to pop over to the mobile now so you can see it from the employee standpoint. On the updates tab, it looks like this. But where you really see this come together is if I click on the feed icon, where I have my shortcuts as well as all of those updates plus announcements, important news for the entire team, all in real time. I should also note that as opposed to Facebook's algorithm, each post that is published will appear first on the feed, which is really handy for a work context. Obviously different than social media consumption. How easy is it to send an update to the team? Well, I'm going to show you from the admin dashboard. Here we will start from a template, which there are many good ones to start from. Even if it's just a starting point, you can tweak from there. I'll select this template, and we can further customize the design, the color. As well, here we can add all kinds of attachments like images, videos, GIFs, files, YouTube video embeds, locations, links, live polls, and shortcuts. Now this is where things get really interesting. Dynamic means current and future group members receive this, but I could also fix it if I only want current group members to see this, and then I could select my groups there or specific users. And here are all those settings that I mentioned that you can choose depending on what it is you want to post. Just like that, our update is ready to go. And the very best part is that you'll be able to see the analytics attached to this, who sees it, who engages with it, who comments and reacts. All of that is available for you to consume as the admin on the dashboard. Now, speaking of communication, let's hop over to chat. This is another excellent feature in Connecteam. You can have a group chat. Unlike Workplace's limited chat options, Connecteam lets you create custom chat groups based on projects, like I've created this one for, departments, topics. Plus, you can access it on one app and manage it from here on the admin dashboard. This reduces the need to jump between platforms like Slack and WhatsApp. And for private messages, one-on-one conversations, Connecteam also lets you offer direct messaging, so sensitive information stays secure. With all of these features, your team will stay connected and informed seamlessly. There are so many features here that you're going to make use of. I love this directory, like a little company phone book, a knowledge base, in this case using it for onboarding materials. Here you can see it in action. We'll look at one of these a little bit later on in the video. Perfect for centralizing know-how, aligning everyone on the same information, tracking file views, protecting sensitive data with permissions. How about rewards, recognitions? We can foster a positive company culture by recognizing and rewarding employees with digital badges or tokens in this case. Or here's a new feature in Connecteam, the help desk. Here you can see me adding my very first one, and this can be all different kinds of things. It's a great way to provide fast internal support with issue-specific help desks, ensuring quick responses and keep requests on track. One of Connecteam's standout features, it's designed mobile first, making it ideal for deskless teams who need access on the go. This is definitely one of Connecteam's standout features. It's designed mobile first, making it ideal for deskless teams who need access on the go. This is how it looks in action. It allows team members to access all the features, whether it's messaging, scheduling, time tracking, all of that is right from their phones. They can check updates, complete tasks, communicate in real time, regardless of where they're working. For instance, employees can receive notifications and updates directly on their phones, ensuring they never miss an important notification. They can even clock in and out, submit work, access a knowledge base. or key company resources all on the go. And I really feel like this mobile accessibility makes Connecteam a standout choice for industries like retail, logistics, healthcare, where teams aren't necessarily tied to desks, so your teams can keep things moving efficiently, whether they're out in the field or in the office. Security is a top priority for businesses in highly regulated industries. Connecteam is packed with features like SSO, two-factor authentication, and compliance tracking. Security is obviously a top priority for businesses, especially those in highly regulated industries. I'm going to go ahead and click Settings. Connecteam understands this, so the platform is packed with features like SSO. I'm going to click on Security here, and we'll scroll down and see this option right here. Popular integrations like Azure, Google, and more, simplifying the login process while maintaining strong security protocols, allowing team members to access their accounts without juggling multiple passwords. For even more security, you've got the option to enable two-factor authentication, providing that extra layer of protection and preventing unauthorized access. Speaking of security, compliance also comes to mind for regulated industries, and these features really span across Connecteam. You saw the time clock earlier, making timekeeping and payroll more accurate and meeting labor laws and avoiding legal issues. Also forms and surveys. These are fantastic to, say, for example, let employees raise concerns or even report non-compliant behavior anonymously. Again, we have lots and lots of templates here that we could choose from. We also looked at the chat feature earlier, where you could message employees securely to address compliance issues and promote transparency. Really, you'll have peace of mind across the whole platform knowing that Connecteam helps you keep your data secure, compliant, and fully protected. Since we're talking about compliance, now feels like a good time to mention that Connecteam offers a HIPAA Compliant account for healthcare organizations. This is going to ensure the secure management of protected health information. I'm going to link to this article in the description below. If this is relevant for you, definitely check this out. Activating it is easy. Users sign a business associate agreement and complete a brief registration process. And that will make Connecteam a trusted solution for HIPAA-compliant operations. Once again, linked in the description below. One of the major benefits of Connecteam is the range of built-in tools that make managing workflows easier and more efficient. Let's take a look at what is included. With Connecteam, you get a fully integrated time clock. Let's take a look. This feature allows employees to clock in and out with ease, and for managers, it provides real-time insights on who's currently on the clock, where they're located, and it even supports GPS tracking, ensuring accurate timekeeping for field teams. So right there, you can see my clock out location, and there are my shift details at a glance. For scheduling, Connecteam lets you create and assign shifts, manage task deadlines, I could add those right here. As well, you can notify team members of any scheduling changes instantly. Watch how easy it is to apply a template from a previously saved week. Choose from my templates, I've got my weekly schedule, and just like that, I can begin scheduling the week, which I don't have to do from scratch. Forget those long email chains or physical spreadsheets. Everything is updated and visible to the entire team in real time. Now let me show you Connecteam's knowledge base feature. This is a fantastic tool for organizing company resources, which you can see I begin to do here, foldering and adding different files. You can store training materials, SOPs, policy documents, and more, making them easily accessible for employees when they need them. This feature alone can save teams hours in onboarding and training. Now, finally, let's talk pricing. Connecteam has an amazing free plan that's great to get you started, perfect for small teams, and then also affordable upgrades for larger teams. This really gives the platform an edge over others, especially for small businesses looking to keep costs down. They're very transparent about their affordable pricing. I feel like the transparency and the affordability of Connecteam's pricing model makes it really an accessible choice for businesses of all scales. You can compare the features here. And I should also mention that Connecteam offers a special deal for companies migrating from Workplace. This is something that you should definitely ask your sales rep about. There you have it, everything you need to know about transitioning from Workplace to Connecteam. I've linked to all the details below that you need to get started. And remember, Connecteam is free for teams up to 10 employees. And if your team is bigger than that, you can get started with a free trial, no credit card required, and experience the difference that it will make for your business. If you've got any lingering questions, let's chat in the comments below. I'll respond personally to each and every single one of them. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. That helps other people discover these videos, which we work hard to create for you. And subscribe for more of my videos on branding, positioning, building, and promoting your brand. Thank you, Connecteam, for sponsoring this video. Next, I'm sharing a few other videos I think you'll be interested in. I'm Pallen. Thanks for watching those. Coming up next.